Hi, my name is Kevin Jackman. I'm a member of Team 20 alongside Victor. I'm his partner. And unfortunately, I was not able to be here in person for this presentation, but I have made this video presentation so that I can display to you my contributions and my efforts toward building and designing and constructing this Arduino rescue robot. My portion and my responsibilities of this project were basically the programming for the motors, having them run in a straight line, the sensors, and the touch sensors in the front. I had to start off with making a default program, which basically had motor A and B moving at similar, very, very similar and very close speeds to have it run in a straight line. Now, we discovered that there were natural variations in the motors which would make it run not the same and just run askew. Even though both speeds may say 60, they're just not constructed exactly the same. So the ratio would be maybe 80 to 100 or 73 to 100. So we had to make small adjustments, and eventually we did come to the correct ratio where it would proceed in a straight line. Now, since that is our default program, we had to have the sensors, because without the sensors, it will naturally just askew and it will eventually run into a wall. So what we had to do was put the sensors on the left and the right side, the ultrasonic sensors, which you can see, and Victor will show to you. We had the program, if one of the sensors reads less than 4 centimeters, the motor on that side will turn faster, thus correcting the path and having it correct itself and go straight and not hit any of those walls. So this is constantly happening. It's constantly adjusting, getting new readings, and constantly adjusting so that it doesn't hit any of the walls. Another program that we have to input that we have not done yet is when it reads an open path, maybe but a longer distance, maybe it's 10 centimeters or 15 centimeters, it will stop, turn, go forward to read that new wall. Then it will run that default program where it goes forward and corrects itself. In the front, we'll have 3 sensors, which are touch ping sensors. Now, when it runs into a wall and hits the front of the sensors, it will stop, go backwards, turn 15 degrees toward where the opening is, which will be working with the ultrasonic sensors, and it will try 15 degrees until it's able to go, not hit any of the walls, and run back to that default program. Some problems that we were concerned about throughout the maze that we weren't prepared, we weren't really sure how to prepare for were maybe the PVC pipe. We're not sure how it will react to the ping ultrasonic sensors or the sound waves because we've been practicing on straight walls. So we're not sure how the cylindrical shape of that will affect the trajectory point back to the sensor. So we'll have to get feedback from you, and we'll have to run some tests of our own with PVC pipe. Any other questions will be taken over by Victor, and Victor has contributed a lot to this, and he's basically going to guide you through that. Please give him your feedback, and he will get back to me. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to share with you, and thank you very much.